What if I told you that you could unlock every premium AI model inside Adobe Firefly? The GPT image models, the viral Nano Banana models, the powerful Flux models, and even the newest video models like Cedance 2.0 and 𝐕𝐢𝐝 3.1 completely free, no exaggeration. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully activated Adobe Firefly trial, thousands of credits sitting in your account, and you'll watch me generate an actual AI video right in front of you. And stick around till the end, because I'll show you a little trick to keep using this for months, not just a few days. Let's get into it. First things, head over to the official Adobe Firefly website. Make sure it's the real, official site and not some random copycat. Once the page loads up, you're ready for the next step. Now, look for the sign-in option and click on it. This is where we start creating your access. At this point, you'll get two choices. You can either continue with Google or continue with your email. Both work perfectly fine, so pick whichever you prefer. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose continue with Google because it's the fastest. And just like that, within about 2 to 3 seconds, you'll be signed in. Nice and easy, right? Once you're signed in, tap on your profile. Inside there, you'll spot the upgrade option. Go ahead and click on it. The moment you do, you'll see 3 Adobe subscription plans laid out in front of you. Now pay attention here. Out of those 3 plans, go to the second plan and click on free trial. After you click it, the payment interface will pop up on your screen. Okay, take a breath. I know the second a payment page shows up, your brain goes, wait, am I about to get charged? Don't panic. Not a single rupee will be charged for the actual plan. Just watch the tutorial carefully and follow along with me. I've got you. Now let's pick how you want to pay. If you want to use a credit card or a debit card, you can choose that option right there. But if you'd rather pay using UPI, which is what a lot of you will want, just scroll down a little and you'll see the UPI option waiting for you. Next, go ahead and enter your basic details here. Now, obviously I can't show you my personal details on camera, so I'm going to skip this part, but you'll fill it in normally. Once you've entered your details, a QR code will appear on the screen. This is where the magic happens. Now look very carefully, because this step matters. It'll temporarily charge just 2 rupees. That's it, and even that small amount gets refunded back to you within 24 hours. So scan that QR code with any UPI app you've got and pay 2 rupees only. And here's the most important thing of the entire video, so do not skip this. Do not forget to turn off Autopay. I'm serious. If you leave Autopay on, 1,596 rupees will be deducted from your account after 7 days. So turn it off now, right here, and save yourself the headache. Once that's done, just give it a moment. It'll take about 2 to 3 seconds for your order to be processed. And there you go, your free trial has been activated successfully. Congrats, you're officially in. Now let me show you the good part, how many credits you actually got. Click on the profile option again and take a look. You can see that you've received 4,010 credits sitting right there in your account. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking right now. Okay, but what can I really do with so few credits? Hold that thought, because at the very end of this video, I'll tell you exactly how you can stretch these and generate even more videos and images. So, please watch the full video, you don't want to miss that part. Alright, now click on the image option and look carefully at this. Every single model here is now free to use. All the GPT image models, all the latest Nano Banana image models, all the powerful Flux models are free. Everything unlocked, no extra cost, and it gets better. Now click on the video option and look closely. All the latest and best video models are free as well. Cedance 2.0, 𝐕𝐢𝐝 3.1, and all the 𝐋𝐞𝐚 models, everything here is completely free to use. This is honestly wild when you think about what these normally cost. Now let me prove it works. Let me generate a video and show you live. Go to generate video and select your model. I'm going with Cedance 2.0 because right now it's the most viral model on the internet. Everyone's talking about it. After that, choose your basic settings. I set the duration up to 10 seconds. Then upload your reference image, type in your video prompt. You can see how many credits are required to generate a 10-second video and hit generate button. For this demo, I'm creating a simple kids football video just to show you. Is it really working? Let's find out together. Now, the part you've all been waiting for. The big question. How do you keep using this for a long time, not just a few days? Now, I'll be completely honest with you. There is a method and it works really well, but I can't explain it here on YouTube. And I'm not saying that to be dramatic. One of my previous videos was actually taken down by YouTube for showing exactly this. So I'm not risking this video getting removed too, because I put a lot of work into it for you. But don't worry, I'm not gonna leave you hanging. I've explained the entire method, step by step, in full detail over on my Telegram channel. Everything's there, nothing held back. So if you genuinely want to learn how to keep this running long term, head over to my Telegram channel. The link is right there in the description below. Go join it, and you'll find the complete method waiting for you. If this helped you out, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one, and drop a comment telling me which model you're going to try first. Are you Team Cedance, Team 𝐕𝐢𝐝, or Team Nano Banana? Let me know down in the comments. I read them all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.